when you tap on it, try to find a soft ground. Don't do sidewalks or driveways or anything like that, because that's just gonna make this head smaller and smaller and smaller. So you end up replacing this quite a bit. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I thought, tilted there, I'll give you a review on a STIHL FS 111 RX. For 3 years I've had this, so it's a long-term review. It's been a workhorse. This is the original head that came with it. Now, you're saying for somebody who's had it for 3 years, and I've done this commercially. So, when you tap on it, try to find a soft ground. Don't do sidewalks or driveways or anything like that, because that's just gonna make this head smaller and smaller and smaller. So, you end up replacing this quite a bit. So anytime I see a big weed, of course I'll tap it on top of that. We know, as you tap it, it gets quite a bit, string trimmer out. I don't have a guard on it. And the reasons why I don't have a guard on it is I can see it when I do edging. So, upside down, the guard kind of hinders that. So for me, I don't do the guard. Others, they're okay. As you can see, the grease points. You really want to make sure that you get the grease points. You want to do that probably every couple of months. It depends on how much, obviously, you're doing there. I find that that this particular, I'm going to take this off so you can see. Obviously we have the trigger variable, but this has to be depressed before you can get to this. I let that up, see, I can't press anything. And of course your stop. We know about the bubble and the choke. Starts every time, don't have any issues with it. So the FS 111 RX has been a good machine for me. I've tried different strings. It works best on the Oregon 0.95. It'll handle the 105, but it will not handle the 105 if your string is much larger than the typical guard, because when it goes out to here, it bogs down. I've also tried the Oregon square. It didn't really like that at all. It bogged down. So the best for this one, of course, is the in my opinion, gives me the amount of horses that I need and the amount of torque that I need, is the 0.95. Again, I'm using the Oregon, so I've had this STIHL before. It worked fine on that as well. But let me show you how thick. Oh, we have a little bumblebee. Look at that. All right, she dies. Sorry if I destroy your home here, but that's up to my kneecap, and it's got some pretty thick, as you can see. It goes right through it. So just chops it all up. There's the ground level, so it goes up to my kneecap, as you can see. So let's get busy on this. But if you don't mind it's a good product. It really is. It's been an everyday workhorse for me. If you watch my channels, go to my channels, you'll see this one in action for, I've been filming myself for, I guess since August now. I have 50 some odd videos. subscribe to the channel, like it. I mean, you'll see this one in action 98% of the time. I just recently went to the battery. I've already did a review on that. You can see it. This one I'm going to sell. No longer need it. I like the battery. I don't like the cranking. And you know, if you're commercially and you're do 12, 17 properties a day, and you do that with the battery, the edger, the weed eater, it kind of torques your elbow. I'm up in age, so I don't need that hassle anymore. That's why I'm gone to battery. And besides that, my municipality is going to require that I go battery here in the next couple of years. So they're going to, I hate to use the word outlaw, but they're going to ban any gas handheld products, just like California has done, and they're going to be totally banned in 2024. My municipalities, they're going to start, you know, they're in discussions now. So, you know, I'm going to sell my products while there's still a market for it. But I like the battery. It's just good for me. You know, whether it's good for you, that's something you have to decide. Let's look at the reviews, and you'll see it certainly has the horses and the powers as this one. So, you know, the battery that I had, the FSA 135R, is just on par, the same CCs, same everything, same strength. So that's why I'm doing that. So, well, let's go through this, see how it does. Pretty quick. I had to be careful, there's rocks in there, so that's why I kind of did that line. Let's go look at this other ones. Well, there you have it. If you're in the market and you're looking at the STIHL FS 111RX, it's a very strong motor, reliable. I use, of course, non-ethanol fuel, so that's why my equipment lasts much longer. I haven't done any carburetor issues on this particular unit. Obviously, I've changed the air filter and the fuel filters. String I go through quite a bit. Again, the .95. It's strong enough to go to the 1.05, but I think it's best at the .95. That's the most common. And so unless you're going through some really major rough and you need the string to last you, I mean, look, I don't think I've gone through any of the string. I haven't tapped it, but whew, look at that, slinging it everywhere. But yeah, up close again, you know, the grease points. Take care of your equipment. If you have any questions, just kind of put it in the comments. And again, you know, spark arrestor, which is here. Right, you have to get that through the muffler there, take off the guard, get to the spark arrestor, clean that off so you won't have any issues starting it. But simple operation, same concept as all of them. The bicycle grip, I like it. Not bicycle grip, the handlebar grip. And this, I never really realized what this is, what it's for, other than just you can grip it. It'll spin on you if you want to start it. I don't know. Just never really paid attention to it, honestly. So, again, it's been a good machine. Longevity, still makes some very good products. As you know, they're from Germany. I recommend them highly. I am kind of a STIHL kind of guy. But I'm gonna go clean this up, and I think I'll put it on the market, sell it. I don't really need it as a spare. I don't use it now that I've got my battery. So, guys, like, subscribe, give me some comments, and then I'll be happy to answer everyone I can. But again, look at my channel for this tool in action. Again, the FS 111 RX. I don't know why they've been making it so complicated on the model numbers. So, again, the FS 111 RX. Good strong motor. You know, I don't know if there's any what the new models are, and if there's any difference between them, because really you're not changing the concept of anything. It's a string trimmer, whether it's Husqvarna or any other ones. Red Max, all of them make a good string trimmer, but this is the one that I chose, and it's been good for me. Again, like, subscribe, let me know what your comments are, and hopefully this helps you. Jim, Escapes Lawn Care, peace out.